The sound of children laughing, excited to explore Washington's agriculture at the farm at SillyVille. Through interactive play, the farm at SillyVille is designed to give children and families an unforgettably fun experience where little ones get to roll up their sleeves and become a farmer. The opening day of the farm at SillyVille is fast approaching on August 31st, the first day of the 2018 Washington State Fair. The farm at SillyVille is an acre and a half and is built to provide interactive experiences based on the National Agriculture Literacy Outcomes. Today, a majority of people are at least 3 generations removed from agriculture. Because of this, many children don't know where their food comes from or how it is produced. The farm at SillyVille brings agriculture to life as a free, hands-on exhibit that will provide a unique opportunity for kids and families to experience our state's agriculture and take part in the farming process. Beyond the fair season, the farm at SillyVille will operate year-round, providing a field trip destination for elementary school students called Farm School. The farm at SillyVille will welcome more than 85,000 children this year alone. From the dairy barn to the chicken coop, grain silo, produce barn, and backyard garden, the farm at SillyVille is education centered around play, where children get to engage their senses in nutrition, science, health, and farm technology. The farm at SillyVille's dairy barn allows children to use levers and knobs to interact with the milking process. They get to milk a lifelike cow, watch an automated milking machine, and see milk transformed into a dairy product. Families can visit the chicken coop, where children will gather eggs from animatronic chickens, see chicks hatch, and learn about animal life cycles. When children visit the grain silo, they get to drive a combine to harvest wheat. They will discover different grains and mill them for products, such as breads and cereals. At the produce barn, kids get to explore and play as they pick fruit from an orchard and engage with the packing and shipping process. In the backyard garden, children will discover root-based crops through an underground soil experience and learn about the plant life cycles, from planting seeds to harvesting. From sun up to sundown, it takes a community to educate our children. Education has always been a priority for the Washington State Fair Foundation. Since 1991, the foundation has awarded over $1.2 million in scholarships to over 500 students throughout Washington State. Now, the Washington State Fair Foundation is excited to engage the minds of our youngest learners while continuing to provide scholarships for students seeking higher education. As contagious laughter grows, we have a big opportunity to multiply every dollar given to the farm at SillyVille. We have a generous partner who will match all gifts made to the farm at SillyVille, dollar for dollar, up to $500,000. Whether your gift is big or small, your donation will be doubled, multiplying your gift, maximizing our efforts, and bringing agriculture education to life. With a donation of $5,000 or more to the farm at SillyVille, your name will be displayed on an apple, hanging on an apple tree in the main building at the farm at SillyVille. Every farm needs a partner, and we are fortunate to have partners like you. Come on, partner. Let's seize this opportunity and multiply our impact for the farm at SillyVille. Join the Washington State Fair Foundation as we build a lasting legacy of agriculture education.